So today I've got the new GP pin pointer. I think I'm holding it upside. No, that's right. And we're gonna see how good it is. We're gonna bench test it and see if it's junk or not. Alright, so here we have it unboxed here. And we got a lanyard, nice little side piece to put on your belt, the instruction manual, box, and the tool itself. So now the tool itself, it may look kind of familiar to you if you're familiar with pin pointers, and that is because it is basically an exact copy of the Garrett Pro Pointer AT. The only differences really are doesn't have the levels here, or say Pro Pointer All Terrain. Otherwise it's same size. It doesn't have the little piece here to clip on, but it does have one right here, and it's said to be waterproof, same as the Garrett. It's got the speaker right here, same, and your button right here, and they've both got the lights in the front here, little LEDs. So the Garrett we know works good. Let's see what this will do. Alright, so I just put the battery in it. It is ready to go. Just have to turn it on. I'm going to get rid of some of this accessories here. Clear it out so I know that there's nothing that's going to react with that would interfere. So let's turn it on. So the light is on. Okay, it's I don't know, that's just a startup thing. Probably just a startup thing. So let's first test, basic test, a ring. Let's see. So Garrett would have easily picked it up already. Okay. There, now it noticed. Okay, we take the ring away. Okay, now I'm not sure why it's still beeping. That was actually looking pretty good at start. So it's still just going off. There's nothing around it. I'll turn it off. Okay. So I'm not sure why it did that. Let's turn it back on. Okay, now it's still, there's nothing around it. Maybe I'll pull the battery out for a second here. See if it needs to be reset. Okay, battery's out. Take same batteries, the Garrett. Okay, let's turn it on again. There's nothing near it. Okay, so let's see if I can, oh, there, now it turned off. So maybe the tip has got something wrong with it? Something loose? I don't know. So let's continue on with the test here, and let's try a small coin. Very small coin. 10-cent piece. Okay, so it noticed it, and now it's not stopping. So okay, so it won't turn off now. Okay, I just turned it off. Okay, so turned it off. Turn it back on here. Well, this is frustrating. There's nothing at all near it. Okay, there it stopped. Good. Let's try something kind of different. I would just want to see, because so far it seems kind of junk. So let's try a wooden ball. Okay, so that's fair. There's nothing metal in that. Let's try a, let's see how small something that I can recognize without going off non-stop, hopefully, after. Let's try this, a BB. Oh, it noticed it. So that's not bad, it noticed it, but once again now, we'll put that aside, and it won't shut off again. So I'm just going to turn it off. So noticing that BB is that's a pretty small little piece of metal. So that's not bad that I was able to notice that. That is actually somewhat impressive for something so small like that. However, it won't seem to turn off after it recognizes something. I'll turn it back on now. And it goes off for absolutely nothing as well. So if you, now it turned off. So if you're searching for something, I think you're going to find this tool. It could be somewhat accurate, but it's going to be very frustrating with the amount that is, like, if you did find something and then you're trying to find where it was, it's just going to keep beeping everywhere you go. So for it being a pinpointer, I would say it is junk. It does not work. I would much rather use the Garrett. I know the Garrett works well. This appears to be a copy of the Garrett and not a good copy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this saves you some money and pain and frustration. And yeah, if you're absolutely desperate, then these are a cheaper alternative. I think they're about $30. But I myself would not take one out into the field to use. Alright, thanks guys. I'll see you later. By the way, I did read the instructions, so yeah, it's still junk.